Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to today's tutorial, and I'll be showing you how to combine these two pieces to make a double-sided piece that you can use as a key holder, a bracelet, or anything else you like. The first step is to lay them side by side and then take the fishing line facing downwards and pick one black bead. Pass the fishing line through the side bead. Pick another black bead, then crisscross. Pass both fishing lines through the next black beads. Again, pick one black bead, then crisscross. Pass both fishing lines through the next black beads. Continue adding black beads until you finish it off. So you're going to take a piece of plastic from any container, can be a blue band tin, a cooking oil tin, or anything else that is plastic, and then cut it into the shape of this Google logo, and then we're going to put it in between and finish beading it off. So once that is done, this is how it finally looks like, and you can go ahead and create as many double-sided pieces as you like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, so please subscribe for more.